Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. This Mercedes-Benz is powered by all-wheel drive, 2.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 63,910 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this stunning 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Gently used, impeccably maintained, and boasting advanced features for a superior driving experience. Own the road today. This pre-owned CLA 250 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated front seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.